Alright everybody, what are we doing this morning? Working on a couple of machines. Here we got a case backhoe loader. Not sure, 68 OK. This is a case skid steer 1835C. I fixed the linkages on this thing yesterday. So there's also a repair I did on the bucket. It was broken off. So I cut out a whole new piece here, the diamond plate, welded in a whole new piece. Gonna weld the cutting edge on the bottom. Came out nice. Nice little machine, 3-cylinder diesel. But we're going to start up this case today. Going to do a little electrical work. Supposed to get 6 to 12 inches of snow. And we got to use it. So let's hop in, fire up. Check out this electrical panel. Open the door. Shoop. It is cold out too. It's 20 degrees with 10-degree wind chill. Okay. Close the door. Sometimes the door don't close, sometimes it does. Alright. Put a key in ignition. No. Turn that to on. Come over here, it says cold start. Hold that button down for about 30 seconds because it's cold. It's very cold today. And hopefully she'll start, so. A broken windshield. It's alright though. And a little backup mirror. Backup mirror over there. That's about 30 seconds. My thumb's cold. Alright. Let's crank her up. There it is. She's cold. See all that white smoke this morning? I mean, she's a cold. There goes the train going by. Woo! Look at the train. She's alive. Build up some air pressure and release the air brakes. It's got. Alright, that's all I got for now. Bye-bye.